Scott got our bus bars all put in the front and ready to hook up the new lithium battery that we got.
Yeah, so we just got that about a month ago?
Yep. And I was going to do that today, but the cables I need are at the house.
Again. So
next time.
Next time, all right. And that is just taking some of those cables we have hooked to the battery and moving them to the bus bars?
Yes.
Okay. Cool. We have to keep two because our bolts are two. And the little one because the bolt is too long. Until we can get a smaller bolt, shorter bolt.
To wiggle loose. Scott's fault I hurt my head. Okay. So that's that. So, what did we do today? So today, I knocked all the skin off the top of my head to start off.
Ugh, it was bleeding profusely.
Yes.
See? Blood. Okay.
So, lesson one, wrap your head in something rubbery before you bury yourself in this hole.
Okay.
Then what I did is, we got our bus bars installed. Scott put those in for us the other day, but I didn't have the cables to go from the bus bar to the battery. So today we reorganized everything as much as we could and got everything hooked to the bus bar.
To our new battery.
To our new lithium battery. So I think we are in good shape.
Yeah.
Everything seems to be working like it's supposed to so far.
The Fritz this time is going to work, right?
Maybe.
Because we hooked
it
up. We hooked it up.
Because we've got that cable hooked up this time. So anyway. Ha ha. Just kidding, Scott. All right. So we're good shape.
Awesome.